Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the hardware. Choose a Cat5e or Cat6 Ethernet cable and power everything off first. Once done, locate the LAN port on your router and the Ethernet port on your Xbox. Then plug the cable in firmly on both ends. After connecting, power devices back on in sequence: modem, router, then Xbox. This reduces connection conflicts and forces fresh DHCP leases. Make sure cables click into place. A loose connection is a common silent failure, so double-check the fit before moving on. You now configure the Xbox to use the wired link. Open Settings, General Network Settings, and select Wired Network. Next, run Test Network Connection to verify link and latency. This tells you if DHCP worked and if NAT is open. If you need stability, set a manual IP in the Xbox and reserve that address in the router, or change DNS to a fast resolver like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8. Also, enable UPnP or forward required ports if you plan to host games for consistent performance. You finish by confirming functionality. Check NAT type and run the multiplayer connection test inside network settings, then reboot the Xbox to apply settings cleanly. If you still see lag, use routerco S to prioritize the Xbox or enable wired-only profiles to reduce wireless contention. One key troubleshooting tip: if the Xbox shows no Ethernet link, immediately try a different cable and a different router LAN port, and test the same cable on a PC. This isolates whether the cable, port, or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.